guys, this video is about my accommodation. So for the first months, I would say 3 weeks, I used to live in a private suite or in hostel. Now I moved to wonderful world of this. So let's have a look how I set up my, this is my crib, and I'll tell you all about it now. As you can see, I have a 3D secure door, so welcome to my place. Yeah, on the left hand side we have my wardrobe, which is kind of extends to this side as well. I need to buy new some of the hooks to get more stuff up, and this is my wardrobe, like a slash stash and everything. And here we have more things. And just now I found two hangers. I'm thinking about the guy that trained the traveler. I saw how tiny his wardrobe was, and like, hey, can I actually pull it off? And it kind of did work because I only have quite a few. And yeah, I have a very funny window like here. There's extra storage space, and just need to buy the lock. And I got my essential stuff to be clean and smell good and feel good. I need this now, and this one is fake because I don't think that was it put your money. Don't think it's gonna be upside down, but hey, yeah, funny. But I bought it like 700 baht or something, but it smells fine, but only stays like around 10 minutes. And this is a Waikiki one. She's alright. So this is my stash number 2. Yeah, sometimes we have zombies coming out from the Bangla Road. That's why we have this modern latest technologies, 3D secure with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and voodoo stuff. Lock. This view to Patong is just breathtaking. Seriously, I wake up to this every morning. This is so nice. You see that temple over there? That's where I took my episode about tranquility and stuff. So I love it. And next stop is, yeah, we got our own watching, and it's actually 3 times cheaper than you actually doing anything. Yeah, double drop, triple G drop. Yeah, basically you know what it's doing, and I can dry my stuff here. And for the evening I'll be ready to hit Bangla Road. And now we are walking towards the. Oh yeah, you see? Please don't commit suicide. You're on camera. You're not allowed to jump. Please don't jump. I do anything. Come on. So this is one of the habitats of this my Patong social hostel. This guy is just crazy good.
Yeah, crazy good.
Hey Franco, what are we doing tonight?
Today we will go to Bangla Road and Uluja.
Yeah.
We have big party today,
Yeah.
so we will enjoy it.
Yeah.
So drink couple glass whiskey
Yeah.
or something.
Okay.
And,
So if you like this guy, just let me know in the comments below, because he's about to drop his channel. So yeah, if you like him, let me know, because Franco is legendary. You'll never guess where he's from. Never guess. Seriously. This is my ultra high-end technology kitchen, and actually gonna bring Alisa here, so it's gonna be fun. So it'll be a smart kitchen. We have 2 fridges. We have, oh, this is where I'm doing my morning routine. Oh, yes, you know this one. So every morning I start my day with a freshly grinded and boiled coffee. We got plenty of kitchen supplies and everything we possibly need. And here is my office. This is where I normally sit and stand and do my job, and then I move from, it's like a co-working space for me, and then I go and depending where I want to sit. Or maybe I want to have a nice view to the mountains. Or maybe I want to have something like kind of London style where everything is. Look at this guy. And the best view I have is here, because during the night you can see all nightlife. And the Bangla Road is actually here. And this short video concludes my room tour of my office slash condo, well, hostel walls. Yeah, and to be honest, I was a little bit skeptical of moving into these kind of places, but then it kind of worked because I adapted, and I really enjoy it, because normally I don't care what about the quality of life in terms of like accommodation stuff. The most important is for here in this room and in the washing. So if I sleep in a box, well, as long as it's not a coffin, I'm fine. And once my girlfriend comes, obviously I'm gonna go downstairs to the institute. And yeah, so if you like, please, if you like, leave the comments. Yeah, suck at this. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to comment whether I should get more of my, because I want to make my room even more cozy, my tube, my rectangular space. So yeah, if you have any ideas how can I improve, how we can make it more modern. I do need to buy the power cords extension lead, because I need to charge way too many things. Now I understand for Ramov why he's saying that 90% of his luggage is actually within his travel suitcase. So yeah, next one.